Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best air humidifier fragrance machine reviews. Desktop 7-color simulation flame diffuser combines humidifier and fragrance functions for home or office. USB plug-in design is portable and quiet, adding moisture while releasing soothing aroma. Realistic flame light creates relaxing ambience, improving air quality, comfort, and style during work or rest day and night.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.